government just pulled hurricane data access during peak storm season. But let me give you some context that we can discuss about this. On June 25th, NOAA announced that by July 31st, it will stop using data from the Defense Meteorological Satellite Program.
But why does this matter?
Simple, because DMSP gives us a 3D look inside hurricanes at night under cloud cover, showing signs of rapid intensification before it's visible on radar. So, can you notice how important this data is? But let me put the cards on the table. Would you feel safe knowing the storm warnings you get might now be hours late? The backlash was instant. Experts called it reckless. TikTok lit up with videos showing past hurricanes and captions like, "Forecasting just got worse." Why? Because DMSP data helped predict Hurricane Milton's last-minute surge. Losing it means we might miss the signs next time. Remember the storm that caught Miami off guard last year? Florida is ground zero. Cities like Miami and Tampa depend on this microwave data for accurate landfall predictions. Without it, there's less warning, less prep time, more chaos, and it's kind of thing that turns a warning into an obituary. Let's think about this for a second. If lives are on the line, should the government be allowed to block hurricane data from the public? And the thing is, this isn't just about losing data, it's about losing trust. Florida depends on precise forecasts, and now we're flying blind. Like the meteorologist Scott Pilley said it best, cutting this data is a major step backward. Also, Jessica West mentioned something interesting. She said what hurts most, the satellite still works. The Pentagon's just not sharing it anymore. The system's active, but the public's left in the dark. Do you think this was about cybersecurity, or is something else going on? The shutdown got delayed once because of public outcry. That means your voice matters. Contact your reps, share this video, push for transparency. Because once that data's gone, there is no backup. Without accurate storm forecasts, you don't get the early warning you need to protect your property. That means less time to tarp a roof, board windows, or even file a pre-storm insurance claim. If your roof's older, damaged, or not hurricane rated, this makes upgrading even more urgent. Because now it's not just about surviving a storm. It's about doing it with less warning than ever before. Look, there is a lot happening right now. Confusing decisions, political finger pointing, broken systems, but one thing's for sure. The wind is coming. The hurricanes are coming. And they don't wait for government red tape to clear. You can't control the satellites, but you can control how ready your home is when that storm hits.